Hello listener, in our previous video we have discussed some problems which comes for 1 marks and 2 marks. Okay, and in this video we are going to discuss some more important problems related to application of trigonometry or height and distance, and this type of problems come for long questions, just 4 marks. Okay, longer questions. Okay, problem. An observer flying in an aeroplane at an altitude of 900 meter observed two ships in front of him which are in the same direction at an angles of depression of 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the distance between the two ships. It is a depression, means you are looking down. Suppose a observer in an aeroplane. Here the aeroplane is there. Okay, here the aeroplane is there. The sky. This is your ground level. This is your ground, and the distance between your observer and the ground is this line. Okay, altitude of 900 meter. Okay, altitude of 900 meter means the distance between the observer and the ground is 900 meter. And it observed two ships in front of him. He is seeing two ships in the same direction. Same direction means you can draw in the same direction, either right side or you can draw the figure in the left side, but in same directions. Okay, this is your line of horizontal line or eye level. Okay, eye level. If that observer is seeing down, it is called as angle of depression with two ships. This is one ship, this is another ship. Just give the name of your ship as C and D. C and D. And A and B is the distance between the ground and the aeroplane. Okay, ground and aeroplane with the direction, with the same directions, means first is 30 degree, second is 60 degree. What I said, that alternate angles are same and the parallel lines distance will also be same. Suppose this is AE. AE distance and BD distance are same. BD distance are same because parallel lines are same. Parallel lines are same. So we are pushing this angle inside our figure. So 60 degree will come here. Okay, 30 degree will come here. Here I will give you simple logic. Just remember it. Whether in case of elevations or in case of depression, if two angles are given, the closer to the tower, if you are closer to the tower, higher will be your angle, means greater is the angle. If you are closer to the tower, greater is the angle. Okay, if you are closer, suppose it is a tower, you are closer to the tower, greater is the angle. And just observe this angle, it is far to the tower and it is not greater angle, it is a smaller angle. Just observe your 60 degree, it is closer to the tower and greater is the angle. And what we have to find? We have to find out the distance between these two ships. We have to find out the distance between your two ships. Okay, what is the distance between your two ships, BC and CD? Okay, just give BC as X distance. Okay, CD as D distance. Let's find out. First you have to find out one angle. Suppose take, just forget this one. Take angle ABC. Okay, take angle A, B and C. Okay, let's take triangle A, B and C. In ABC, what is your tan 60? Tan 60. What is tan 60? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. Okay, what is your opposite? 900. What is your adjacent? Is your X. Okay, is your x. What is the value of 9 tan 60? It is root 3 equal to 900 upon x. Just cross multiply. What you will get? X equal to 900 root. What you will get? What you will get? Just cross multiplication. 900 root 3 will come to the denominator. If your number is in square root, you have to rationalize it by multiplying and dividing by same number. If it is root 3, you have to rationalize by dividing and multiply by root 3. What you will get? 900 root 3 by 3 into 3, 3 square. Root cancel, you will get 3. 3 3s are 9. So, what value you are getting of x is 300 root 3. Okay, 300 root 3 for your triangle ABC. Now, you take this one. Just forget this one. Okay, just forget this one. What is your triangle? A, B and D. Okay, A, B and D. In triangle A, B and D. Okay, A, B and D. What is your tan value? Tan 30 degree. Okay, tan 30 means opposite by adjacent. What is your opposite? 900. Okay, what is your adjacent? We are taking this one. This one complete means x plus d upon x plus d. Okay, what is your tan 30? Tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3. Okay, tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3 equal to 900 upon what is x value? 300 root 3 plus d. 300 root 3 plus d. So, what your 900 upon 300 root 3 plus d, just cross multiply. Okay, cross multiply. Okay, what you will get as 300 root 3 plus d equal to 900 into root 3. Okay, 900 into root 3. What is the d value? 900 root 3 minus 300 root 3, what you will get? 600 root 3 meter. 600 root 3 meter. Okay, means x value is 300 root 3, d value is your 600 root 3. If you are adding this, you will get as 900 root 3. Okay, 900 root 3. So, what is your x value? X value is 300 root 3. 300 root 3. What is your d value? 900 root 3. This will be your answer. Okay, our next problem is a person from the top of a building of height 15 meter. Suppose this is your building. Okay, consider this is your building. Okay, no need to write building. For your understanding purpose, I am writing building. Okay, a person is standing here from the top of a building, and this is your the ground level. Okay, ground level, and from the top of a building of height 15 meter, and what is the height of building is 15 meters. Okay, observe the top and bottom of a cell tower. Suppose this is your cell tower. Okay, tower, this is your cell tower. If a person is standing, what is its horizontal level or eye level is this one. From here he is seeing the top of a cell tower with an angle of 60 degree. Means a person is seeing at the top of a cell tower with an angle making as 60 degree. Okay, and that is called angle of elevation. And our next is the angle of depression as 45. What I said, that angle of depression means he is seeing down. Okay, he is seeing to the bottom of your cell tower He is seeing at the bottom of a cell tower with an angle of 45 degree. With an angle of 45 degree. What is your building height? 15 meter. This is your cell tower. Okay. The height of your cell tower is assume as H. Okay. This is your tower. Okay. This is your tower. Just give the name. Okay. Just give the name. Suppose if you are giving as A, B, C, D and E. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the height of a cell tower. Just observe that. What I said, that parallel horizontal line. This is horizontal line. This is horizontal line. Parallel lines distance must be same. If just observe this. This is parallel to this one. Means up to here the height of a tower is same 15 meters, because the building height is 15 meter, means up to building height the tower is 15 meter. So we have to find DE. If you combine CD plus DE, you will get the height of that cell tower. Okay, let's take the distance of building and the tower will be your X. Okay, let's find out A, D and E. Okay, what is A, D, E? We have to find A, B and C. What is your triangle? A, B and C. What is the angle? Tan 45. What is tan 45? Opposite by adjacent. What is your opposite? Opposite is your 15 meter. What is your adjacent is X meter. Okay, what is tan 45? The value of tan 45 is 1. 1 equal to 15 by X. Just cross multiplied. You will get X equal to 15 meter. Okay. Next we have to find out A, C and E. Okay. A, C and E. So we have to find out tan 60. Okay. Tan 60. What is tan 60? Tan 60, the height. Okay, if you want to find out the height of a tower, means you have to deduct 15 meter from DE, then only you will get the value. So we are taking as H minus 15. Okay, tan 60 equal to H minus 15. Okay, H minus 15 by what is your X value? X value is your 15 meter. What is your tan 60? Tan 60 is your root 3. Tan 60 is your root 3 equal to H minus 15 by 15. Just cross multiply it. You will get 15 root 3 equal to H minus 15. Okay. What is the value of H? 15 root 3 plus 15 equal to H. Okay, you can write H this side also, and 15 is common. So we are taking common 15 root 3 plus 1. Okay, root 3 plus 1. Then 15 root 3 value you are having. Root 3 value is 1.732. Okay, root 3 value is 1.732. 1.732 plus 1. First you have to do addition, then you have to multiply with 15. So what you will get? 15 into 2, 1.0. This is 1.0. Okay, 732 same as it is will come. 1 plus 1 2, you will get 15 into 2.732, you will get as 40.98 meter. Means the total height of your tower will be your 40.98 meters.